Hello guys, welcome back. So here in this session, we are in terms of payment. Okay, so before starting the session, so I'll just do one thing, I think for you. So it's pretty simple. Okay, we all are. Let me. Okay, so guys, look at here. There are two servers, right? That I have given server one, server two. So I think for you now in both server, you're having like let's suppose you're having new server and old server, right? So old server which you are using right now, everyone is using. A new server means whatever this new server is there, right? You need to click on the SAP new server and then here edit button. Whatever the server details I have sent in the group itself, I have seen like somebody. So these details you have to keep. Okay. Descriptions you keep SAP old, sorry, new only. Whatever SAP 1 or 2 or SAP new old, whatever you kept, that you keep. Application server, this is the number you have to give. Instance number, and I think this is EH7 is there. The details you have to give and you make it okay. That's it. And once you make it okay, then you use your whatever the user ID and password you're using here. User ID and password will be 12345 6, and then you have to reset the password. This is what the procedure. Nothing else apart from this. So you will be able to log in. So two server will be there. Okay. We'll come back here. So now guys, we are in terms of payment. And in previous session, what I said, like we have seen fixed days terms of payment, right? So fixed days means, let's suppose if a particular 10th of next month or 10th of next to next month, right? So in any such cases, what is happening guys? What is happening? We are going to define the fixed days terms of payment. Let's suppose the example was that, let me log in first. So can we specify any discount? So yes, we can specify a discount even for this one also. Very rarely such kind of requirement comes, but yes, if it is there, then we can specify the discount. So how? So we made a mistake yesterday in the previous session. See, let's suppose I'm saying like 10th of 10th of next to next month. It means next plus 1 month, right? The due date. Now, okay, if there is a requirement, guys, the due date supposed to be end of the month. Then tell me, guys, what to do in this case? Any answer from anyone? If this is the requirement, then what will happen, guys? Someone just tell me. Which kind of payment terms it is, guys? So I got one answer. Mahesh, fixed. Okay, it is fixed days, fixed day payment terms. So what we have to do? Last day of the month. See, I'll tell you guys now. I'll open. You just let me know. I will not proceed further until unless I get the answer from you. OB create and create a new one. EM33. Now what is the requirement, guys? Due date. Invoice supposed to be due at the end of the current month. So now tell me what to do. Somebody can unmute the audio and say something. No worries, guys. It could be right or wrong, right? Leave it. Say something. Fahad, you want to say something?
Hello, sir. Uh, I am not understanding. I mean, what is exactly the question?
Question is like you have to. We are in terms of payment, right? Payment terms.
Yes.
So now
Yes.
the requirement is that you have to define a payment terms, right? And what is the requirement? As per that payment terms, whatever like invoices are going to be posted, those invoices will be going to be due at the end of the month.
Okay.
That is what the requirement.
So is it like we can specify in the day limit something?
Day limit is having a different logic here.
Okay.
That I'll explain, but before that, this is what. See, I'll tell you guys, this is pretty simple. First of all, so whenever we are going to, like whenever I gave a requirement, right? Try to decode this. Decode in the sense I said like invoices should be due at the end of the month. So at the end of the month means what, guys? At the end of the current month itself, right? If at the end of next month, next to next month, such kind of uh, guys, I'll be speaking with slow today because not feeling well and having some cold itself. Anyway, so now what I said that end of the month means end of the current month, right? So it means from first till 38 or 31st, whatever invoices are going to be posted, those invoices are going to be due at the end of the month in the sense 30 or 38th, right? If it is 30, then 30. If it is 38th, 31st, then 31st, right? This is what the requirement. So again, it's pretty simple, guys. Here, that I think here itself, you need to give fixed date, right? So end of the month means the maximum day we are going to specify, right? And what I have to give an additional month, guys, one or two.
One,
I couldn't hear.
Uh, 1 month,
zero.
sir. I
Sir,
think
zero.
No, 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 no. Fahad, what you said?
I said. Okay. After it is fixed. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. That's right. 0 months. Yeah. I was wrong. Zero. It should be zero because it's already fixed for 31st of the current month. So additional month should be zero. Yeah.
Additional month. See, it's pretty simple, right? No need to do any calculations. Current month means zero itself in the previous season, I said, right? So whether you give zero or not
Yeah.
doesn't matter. Anyway, it's going to be treated as zero itself by system if you keep it blank, right? Now I'll tell you guys. So the thing is, once I have explained a fixed days payment terms, right? So any such kind of requirement may come, right? The thing is like example, multiple examples will be there. Small changes will be there. Minute changes will be there, right? So if I started explaining each and everything in the classes, one payment will take too much time. So that is why I'm going to explain the logic and concepts of each and everything. And then sometime what you have to do, sometime you have to, once you become a consultant, you also have to apply your mindset and all. So it's pretty simple, guys. End of the month, 0. End of the next month, right? Again, 31 only, and month means additional month means it is going to be 1. Now, so requirement was there is an invoice, right? That is going to be due on, let's suppose, end of next month, right? End of next month. The invoice is going to be, the due date is end of next month. Condition number 1. If the payment is being made, right? If the payment is being made till the end of current month, 5% discount. If the payment is going to be made till 15th of next month, 2% discount. Okay. Now, this is the requirement. Now I have to create a payment terms. Now, today you people have to speak much. I'll be speaking very less. Tell me, guys. Say something. Now what to do? I'll define a payment terms. TM33. Now you guys tell me, someone, what to do. Any idea?
Sir, in baseline date calculation, fixed day 31st and additional month 1 we have to give.
Okay.
And in the installment payment terms, in fixed date we have to give the fixed date of condition, what is it, 30th plus 0.
Here we
Additional
have
month
to
is
write
0. In fixed date, I think. Here, next to the next column, fixed date 30 of 30, 0. Additional month is 0.
here what I have to give?
30.
30.
End of the current month means 31. You have to give the maximum number of 31.
Then here.
Additional month is 0. And here discount is 5%. Percentage of discount is 5% to that column first.
Okay.
And next fixed date is 15th. Additional month is 1 and percentage is 2.
Yes. So in that case, you need to maintain this one here, dear. Then after you leave it, and here we can give.
Okay.
It can be specified here also.
Okay.
That 31 and this is how we can define, guys. So same thing. Whatever I said here, the same thing is there. I said like due date end of next month. So due date end of next month. But if the payment is going to be made till the end of current month, any invoice posted on 5th of, let's suppose, current month, and if it is the payment is made till the end, till 31st, client is offering, vendor is offering 5% discount. So that we have specified. In the same way, 31 days, in the sense end of month is finished. Now we have entered in next month. In that case also, vendor, what is happening, guys? So in that case also, what is happening here? Vendor is giving again 2% discount, right? And what about the baseline date, guys? Baseline date is required or not? Yes, no.
It's required, sir,
Every cases it is.
as we need to decide from where we can start with the due, which date will be considered as the either posting date or document date. We have to decide one of them so that we can consider for due date.
Okay. And now if I press enter, you look at here, this explanations how it is getting updated. Press enter. What is happening, guys? Is it gone? Today's system is okay. 133, just 5%, 2%, 15 days now, next month, 31st of current month. And if you press enter here, look at here, explanations. By this one, you will come to know whether it is right or wrong. So before end of the month, 5% discount. Before 15th of next month, 2% discount. And before end of the month, no discount. And invoices are going to be due. So generally, whatever you guys are going to give the descriptions, your sales tax, that description is getting updated here. Okay, you want to keep it as it is, then you can give your own explanations. You copy anyone and I'm going to save it. Okay, so now go to XK02 and you change, or else go to FB60. Guys, today not getting that energy in the sense I'm having some throat pain also. So let me explain this one first and then we'll see. So this is the vendor number. And here three. Now look at here how this is happening, guys. 22, 37 and 53. Anyone?
Based on the entry date, post baseline date, number of
Based
due
on
days,
that.
that is
So anyway,
for claiming.
it is going to be due on 31st, right? And
Yeah,
today is I think 9th, right? So that is why
8.
system is saying that if in 22 days, if payment is going to be made, then 5% discount. And 22 days, after 22 days, how many days, guys? Plus 15, right? So from 22 till 37, 22 plus 15, right? That is going to be 37. So till 37th day, I think till 37th day, if somebody is going to make payment, in the sense if the vendor is going to be paid, then 2% discount, and 53 days means any month end, there is no discount, right? So month end means from today, if it is going to be calculated, then it is going to be 53 days, right? If you give a different date, then again the dates are going to be changed. This is pretty simple, guys, right? But guys, I don't think that I'll be able to proceed further because of this throat pain and all. Okay, so I'll stop this here.